Hello everyone, I'm Samuele and in today's video I'm going to make a router bit storage cabinet. So enough talking and let's start the building. I start this project on the table saw and I'm using 15mm poplar plywood. I decided to build this cabinet because I changed my router on my router table, and before all the router bits were in a drawer, but the new router is bigger than the previous one, so I had to remove the drawer. And so here we are building this cabinet. Also, if you want to know more about my router table, I have made a video that you can find in the cards or in the description below. I'm using for the first time this monster of router bit, that is the lock miter bit, and the fit is perfect. The only thing that I don't like is all this tear out that I got. If you know anything about this router bit and how to prevent tear out, please let me know with a comment down below. I assembled the case using only glue and a strap clamp while the glue dries. Unfortunately, I didn't have a poplar panel big enough for this cabinet, so I use a cheap plywood. I glue and screw the panel in place, and now I can remove the strap. Because I like the mahogany a lot, I decided to use this board for the door. I already have a detailed video about half lap joint with this same identical process, and you can find the link down in the description or in the cards. Also, I use screws in the joints to add rigidity, and also the works has clamps while the glue dries. I installed the plexiglass in the groove that I wrought before on the router table, and with precision I drill some holes, and please be careful if you don't want to break the plexiglass. Also, it's better to drill the hole slow to prevent the plexiglass from heating up. And the last tip is to go really slow with the screws, so you are not going to break the plexiglass. Now I'm making the supports for the router bits, and I'm using scrap wood that I found here in the shop. I'm going to drill the holes with a Forstner bit, and also I designed and 3D print some adapter for the 8mm and 12mm router bits, so I can use only one adapter for both bits. Also, do you know that this project was made entirely live on Twitch? If you want to see the building process of all the projects in real time, join to my Twitch channel at twitch.tv/Samuele Pisano. Now I'm installing the 3D printed adapters. Now I'm going to install the hinges for the door, and this process is a little bit long and tedious, but is worth the time. Also, if you want to speed up the process, you can use a router with a small router bit. Also, how do you store the router bits? I don't know if you guys know, but I have a Discord server, and if you want to know more about that, you can find the link down in the description. Now I'm cutting the French clit and I'm going to fix that in position with glue and screws. Now the best part is to apply the finish to the cabinet, and I'm using a wax finish because it is easy to apply. The final steps are to mark the location on the wall to fix the French clit to the wall, and also to add a magnet in the cabinet to take the door closed. And now I put all the router bits inside and the project is done. Also, I'm very happy with how this project came out. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to support me and all the things that I do on this channel, remember to put a thumbs up, to subscribe and to ring the bell and to leave a comment down below. So guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!